In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audit log in QuickBooks 2026, step by step. The audit log in QuickBooks is your system of record for who did what and when inside your company file. It shows sign-ins, changes to transactions, edits to settings, and deletions, which makes it essential for reviews, troubleshooting, and audits. In just a few clicks, you can export that history to a CSV file and open it in a spreadsheet for filtering, sharing, or archiving. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and landing on your main dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the upper right-hand side of the screen. That's where QuickBooks keeps many of its global controls and shortcuts. Find the small gear icon, which opens the Settings and Tools menu. Go ahead and select it. When the menu appears, look for the section labeled Tools. This is where QuickBooks groups helpful utilities for managing your data. In that Tools section, choose Audit Log. Selecting Audit Log will open a new page that lists activities across your company file, showing the date, user, event type, and any related details. Inside the Audit Log page, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. That's where you'll find the control to take the data with you. Look for the Export to CSV option. The wording may appear as a button or a link depending on your screen size, but it will say Export to CSV. Click Export to CSV. QuickBooks will compile the activity currently displayed and begin the download. For most companies, this happens almost instantly. If your audit history is large, it may take a moment. When it's ready, your browser will save the CSV file to your default downloads location, or it may prompt you to choose where to save it depending on your browser settings. A few quick notes to help you succeed. You typically need the right user permissions, such as an admin or company admin role, to access the audit log. If nothing seems to download, check your browser's downloads list or make sure a pop-up or download blocker isn't interfering. The CSV opens in Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet app. From there, you can sort, filter, or create summaries. If you only need a portion of the history, filters are available directly in the audit log page to narrow what appears before you export, but exporting works even if you don't change anything. And that's it. You sign in, open the gear icon, go to Tools, choose Audit Log, head to the right side, click Export to CSV, and the file is downloaded and ready to review.